So it's a beautiful, beautiful day in the neighborhood. Soon, in another 3 weeks, I'm gonna be with my baby. There is another one. I didn't see that one. There is another notch. My baby. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I got the GoPro. I'm shooting in 4K. This is all a test. It's all a test to see how well this works out for me. See how it's gonna work. What's up, man? Gotta take care of my camera. Gotta check out my camera before I go on my trip. Gotta test it out for a minute.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on?
Ready.
Fucking beautiful day today. Nah. Huh? Yeah, so far. My first time really using it. I had it for like a few weeks, but I gotta test it out, make sure everything's right. What the hell? There is another notch. Get some scenery going on here. Oh, I don't know. Is it on? Yep, it's on. So I know how it's going to work. My baby. Oh, that's weird. I wonder why it does that.